Okay, so this one, gosh, what is she called? Something silver. I'll put the name up on the screen. Well, when I got it, you saw the beautiful variegation that I had, right? So these are the two new leaves right here and right here, losing its variegation. Not very happy about that. Now, when I read up on this, it was something about these tending to lose their variegation. Well, imagine my surprise to find out how wrong I was assuming that those two leaves lost their variegation. This one and this one are the two new leaves that looked totally green last week or the week before when I made that video. And look at it now. These leaves are huge too. I love this plant. Yeah, as I was saying before, I read somewhere that if you don't give it the right conditions and yada yada yada, that this plant will lose its variegation. But I am like thrilled to see this. I couldn't believe it, first of all. But yeah, there it is. This is the after. Unbelievable. Plants, so full of surprises.